Hey everybody, get ready! Get ready for the action-packed story of a Game World Guardian! Get ready for the defender of good and despiser of evil, me, Goemon!
Get on with it!
Huh?
Momo is always getting underfoot.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I think Momo can hardly wait to go camping with us today.
It's a camping trip, and a bear, and a fire!
Here, Goemon, I made you some lunch. I was thinking about you when I made it, too.
You always make the best lunches, Omitsu.
Grandpa!
Here, Goemon, I've got something for you, too. It'll come in handy if you ever get lost. Take these flares. Make sure you pass them out to everyone when you get there.
What's a flare?
All right, we're out of here.
Whoa, it's like riding a bucking bronco!
Hang on tight!
Zebu Kumaru, I'm sick and tired of your excuses. I never should have sent you into the human world.
Yes, sir.
However, I intend to rectify that mistake right now.
Lord Makuamuge, I beg you, give me another chance. This time I'll defeat Goemon and his friends for good.
Very well. But this will be your last opportunity.
Yes, sir. Drat! If it weren't for that accursed Goemon, I'd have conquered this pathetic world long ago. As much as I'd love to finally commit seppuku, I can't stand the idea of Goemon defeating me. I hate him!
If we keep losing to Goemon like this, we'll never turn this world into our sanctuary.
Oh, shut up! If you've got time to yip and yap about Goemon, then you've got time to find him.
I found him! I found Goemon over there!
What?
There!
Woohoo! Ooh, you're right, there's Goemon.
Why are we waiting, huh?
Oh, right.
What was that?
Follow that car, driver.
How did you?
Don't let them get away.
Yes, sir!
What now?
Follow them.
Pardon me, but
Are you sure you know where you're going?
Straight into the bowels of hell.
The what?
I'll follow them to the very ends of the earth.
Check out that wood flag. We're right at it. And don't forget, I like my prayer.
So, lunchtime?
Reminds me of my old ninja training days.
Not just eating. We're going camping. What is that giant pink thing? It's disgusting.
You're late, Ishikawa.
Noboru?
I can't believe you guys came here in that car. Come on, I'll bet it doesn't have a shower or a bedroom or even a toilet. What are you going to do?
Well, I don't need those things.
Asuka, I took the liberty of preparing you tea.
Wow! Asuka, come back here!
So, you were talking about camping. I gotta admit, you scared me a second there. When you said hell. Huh? Where the hell did he go? Ah! You lousy deadbeat!
Here we go.
Everyone looks so happy down there.
Enjoy yourself, Goemon. In a moment, I'll defeat you, and all your silly friends, too. Of that you can be quite sure.
I think Lord Seppuku means business today.
Lord Makuo Muge's death threat must have lit a fire under him about all this.
We've got to fill up the rage gauge and send a cyber monster. Get yourselves down there and destroy them all!
Yes, sir!
It's such dirty work, don't you think so?
Annoying, too.
Oh. Oh!
What are you two trying to do?
We're putting up a tent, but we could really use your help, Goemon.
Oh, sure thing. I just need to fasten all four corners. There. And there. Fast enough for you?
Holy cow!
Now all we need is to start a fire and light the barbecue grill.
That's easy. Let me do it for you.
And while you're doing that, I'll start setting up the barbecue.
Go, 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 go!
Noboru, don't you think it's about time we started cooking our meals?
Okay, it's as easy as pie.
Oh no, it's a fire! Hurry!
Don't worry, everyone. I brought a state-of-the-art fire extinguisher with me for just such an emergency.
The rage gauge? I see.
Noboru, sweetie, here's the fire extinguisher.
Okay.
Thank goodness it's all out.
Where's the fire?
Goemon and Ebi Subaru already took care of it.
Huh?
Oh, I'm starving and I want something yummy to eat.
Okay, I'll catch some fish for you.
Huh?
Okay, sweetie, we've got to get our reputation back. Look, honey, look, there's some fish swimming right around those rocks. My precious boy!
Help! Help! I'm drowning! Help! Help! What are you talking about, kid?
Wow! Hey, Goemon, that's enough!
Okay, let's gather some mushrooms and nuts to cook these guys with.
It makes no sense I'm using the best equipment and I can't catch a fish. Ugh. Ugh.
Kucha!
Ugh. Darn it! Ah!
Oh, it's getting stronger. I had no idea you could go searching for rage in a place like this. Just wait, Goemon. You'll see what kind of havoc I can wreak.
Let's surprise everyone with matsutake mushrooms.
Watch out, Tsukasa. Sometimes the poisonous mushrooms are hard to tell from the safe ones.
Then I guess I better be careful, huh?
What's the matter?
Did you eat that mushroom?
Oh no, that's a warataki.
Waratake?
Somebody please make it stop.
It's a mushroom whose effects are so powerful when people eat them they get excited and sometimes even start laughing and dancing.
He's dancing, wow! Okay, little guys, come out, wherever you are. A matsutake! What the? Hey! Wait! Come back, matsutake!
Tsukasa? Hey, Tsukasa! Where are you? Tsukasa!
We're really playing with fire this time.
Why do we have to do this anyway?
Sometimes I have no idea what goes on in Sibakamaru's head. Matsutake? Where did you run off to, Matsutake?
It's right here.
Sibakamaru!
Go, Glenny, go! Go, Glenny, go!
Tsukasa! Tsukasa? Tsukasa! Where'd you go?
We did it!
Catching Gleeman was a piece of cake!
Makes you wonder why Sibakamaru had such a hard time doing it himself!
Let me down from here, you evil fiends! Be quiet, stupid!
Yeah, get ready to meet your maker!
Who's there?
Hey, Yai! Sasuke!
Let the two of us handle these idiots, Goemon. You've got to find Tsukasa.
And hurry, because a forest fire started.
What'd you say? Oh no! Sasuke, Yai, keep an eye on those four till I get back!
Be afraid, you fools.
Be very afraid.
You're the ones who ought to be very afraid. We'll leave you here to burn up with the rest of the forest.
Tsukasa! Aha!
Goemon, I see my four little minions failed to catch you in their trap.
Were you the one that started that fire?
Yeah!
Arson is a felony, you know.
Shut up!
Come back here!
Goemon, I sure hope you get us out of here.
Tsukasa!
Goemon, help us!
One more step and I'll send them to the bottom of the waterfall. What is this? What's so funny, fat boy?
Nothing. I just ate an incredible mushroom, that's all.
Let me go! Oh!
Looks like the tables have turned, Seppukumar.
How did you get free?
Shut up! Yai, get Tsukasa and his dog to a safe place, okay?
Okay, Goemon.
Drat! The rage gauge still hasn't reached its maximum level.
Stop talking and start surrendering.
Come on. Almost there. Ah! Oh, the rage gauge is finally full. Come forth, my cyber monster! Atsu Atsu!
Hello? I'd like to report a fire. Yes, a forest fire. We need a fire truck and we need it right away. Mama!
Atsu Atsu! Atsu Atsu!
What is that thing?
Get out of here, you stupid bear. I have no use for you. Atsu Atsu, let's fry our little friend to a crisp, shall we?
Go!
Go!
For all that's good, Goemon Impact! What?
Goemon, power. You've got to get more power.
No problem. Let me eat some of Omitsu's ohagi. Oh, where's my ohagi? Oh no! I must have dropped them somewhere. Ohagi, ohagi. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Now I can get all the power I need. Oh, no, it's covered with ants. I hope it tastes good with ants. For all that's good, Goemon Impact! I can't blow any harder. My stomach hurts from eating those ants on ohagi.
That's right, Atsu Atsu. Now it's payback time. Burn him down to a pile of ashes.
Okay, one more time. For all that's good, Goemon Impact!
Finally! Big!
Bigger!
Biggest of all! For all that's good! Goemon Impact!
Atsu Atsu, I'll snuff you out!
Atsu Atsu, let's treat our little friend to a free barbecue.
Goemon! Go get him! Goemon!
Go, Impact!
Way to go! All right!
Attack! Roast him alive with a big bear hug! Excellent, Atsu Atsu. And don't let him go until he's cooked all the way through.
Impact, what's the matter?
Can't break free! Too hot!
Goemon! Oh yeah! One of Monashiri's flares! Fire!
Oh, what's going on?
Holy cow, like a fireworks display.
Okay, Impact, super tackle!
All right!
Lord Sepicamaro is being swept downstream!
Oh no, a waterfall! Geronimo!
Impact, why don't we lend those firefighters a helping hand?
Justice has a happy ending.
Yeah. Ooh. Fighting evil villains always makes me so hungry.
Eat as much as you want, everyone.
But I already defeated it. Here, you two. Eat some food and get your strength back.
Oh, thanks, Goemon.
Hey, guys! Speaking of chowing down, where did Ebisumaru run off to?
Wow! Are all these people here just to get Rumi Himuro's autograph?
Oh, I wish I could get her autograph.
What? You like that selfish singer?
Oh no! Rumi and Omitsu started fighting! Goemon, do something! Next time on Gabari Goemon...
I'm a bodyguard for a selfish idol. Hey, do you want my autograph?
No way!